The views expressed on this video are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Boomer Esiason Foundation. Nothing in this video should be considered medical advice.
Hey, it's Gunnar Esiason here for another Cystic Fibrosis step-by-step video. So this topic comes from a Facebook comment from Amy, who asked about the microwave sterilizer for nebulizer cups. Sterilizing in the microwave is actually a huge time saver and something that I've completely switched over to within the past couple of years. It's really, really quick. All right, so we are going to sterilize some nebs that I just used. Here are the neb cups. So now we're going to soak the neb cups in warm soapy water. So just some dishwashing soap. Make sure the water is nice and warm. All right, so now we're going to fill the sterilizer while we wait for the nebs to soak in the warm soapy water. Depending on what your manufacturer calls for, will depend on how much water you put into the sterilizer. So for me, I have to measure out about a cup. And then we'll just stick it right in. And that's what's going to end up sterilizing the neb cups. So right now we're just making sure all the neb cups are submerged in the warm soapy water. So now we're going to take it out. All right, so now we're going to rinse the soap out of the neb cups. So I don't have to use sterile water while I'm doing this because we're going to sterilize the neb cups with the microwave. This is why I'm able to use sink water. All right, so we're all set to sterilize. We got the water, the neb pieces inside. Depending on the strength of your microwave and how many neb cups or neb pieces you have inside the sterilizer will dictate how long you keep it in the microwave for. All right, so we're going to take this out. It's really hot, so I like to use oven mitts. Probably a little overkill, but I don't like getting burnt. All right. And that's that. You don't have to wash it after every use, which is great. So what I do is I'll sort of sterilize them for, I'll do like 3 or 4 runs, and then I'll finally wash it with warm soapy water, just like I do with the nebs. But it pretty much sterilizes every time since you're doing it in the microwave. And that's sterilizing with Gunnar.
The views expressed on the Cystic Fibrosis step-by-step with Gunnar Esiason videos are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Boomer Esiason Foundation. Nothing in the Cystic Fibrosis step-by-step with Gunnar Esiason videos should be considered medical advice. Such advice can only be given by a physician who is experienced with cystic fibrosis. The Boomer Esiason Foundation, Gunnar Esiason and guests cannot be held responsible for any damage which may result from using the information on this video without the permission of your medical doctor. Thank you for watching Cystic Fibrosis step-by-step with Gunnar Esiason, presented by the Boomer Esiason Foundation and GunnarEsiason.com.